Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are doing well. Today I am here to discuss about the VTU circular what we got on 12th May, stating that all the colleges has to conduct the internal assessment test for the present semester. In this regard, there was a discussion with the academic dean. So, as per the direction of the academic dean, we are going to conduct three internals. So, the internal dates are 18th, 19th, and 20th is the first internal. 25th, 26th, 27th is the second internal. And 1st, 2nd, 3rd June will be your third internal. And these internals are going to be conducted through online mode. The timetable will be circulated in your official WhatsApp group. The internal procedure will be followed like this. Suppose the exam is going to start at 10 o'clock, and for the 15 scheme students it will end up in 1 hour, and 17 and 18 scheme students it will end at 11:30. That is first exam. Same time will be followed for the further morning sessions, and afternoon timing will be 3 o'clock the exam is going to start, and 4 o'clock 15 scheme students exam will complete, and 3 to 4:30 17 and 18 scheme students are going to complete their exams. Soon after completing your exams, you will be given half an hour time to upload the scanned copy of your answer booklet. Right. The question will be, sir, in which book we have to write the exam? If you have a blue book, you write it in a blue book. If you don't have a blue book, you write it in a separate book, or else you write it in a loose sheets. The sheet should be clean, right? And on each paper or each page, you have to write your USN number, and you have to put a signature on each answer sheet. How you used to write it in a VTU exam. And after doing this, you scan that papers, name that scanned copy with your USN number. I am clearly mentioning, after scanning, save that PDF with your USN number. Once you save that, send it to the respective faculty's mail IDs. So the mail IDs will be shared to you. You need to mail that PDF copy to the respective faculties. I hope this procedure is clear to you. If you have any doubts regarding this process, feel free to call me and clear your doubts. And these internal marks are going to be considered for your finalization of your IA marks. There is one special message to final year students. So as you know, you need to give 3 seminars. One seminar is for internship, one seminar is for technical seminar, and one more is for project. So now what we have planned for internship and technical seminar, you need to prepare reports. Once you prepare reports, send it to the respective guides for the corrections. If any corrections are there, the faculties will tell you the corrections, make the corrections. Then make sure that after correction, take the permission from your guide to take a printout of that. Once you come back from this lockdown period, once the college gets reopened, you need to submit the hard bound copy of internship report and your seminar report. And internal what you are writing, you need to preserve those papers. Again, once you come back to a college, you need to submit your papers to our respective faculty members. That will be a authentication to give you the marks. I hope this procedure is clear to you. Okay. All the best. Thank you.